Rob, you got the pistol grip.
All right, can you cross your arms over your chest here? I'm just gonna roll you towards me. Oh. All right, let's try this again. So cross your arms over your chest. I'm gonna roll you over here. No.
It's 2 strikes, Rob.
Okay, can you cross your arms?
All right, that's it.
Oh, wait,
That's
Dr.
it.
Carr, sorry, give me one more chance.
No, that wasn't even close. You're gonna have to retest.
Whoa, that does not look good.
Yeah, I'm really struggling with this technique right now.
Well, I got a couple tricks up my sleeves. The name's Goodstad. Noel Goodstad.
Never heard of you.
Well, I got just what you need. All right, Rob, you got this. This is what you've been training for all your life.
All right, Rob, you're up. All right, Rob, you got the pistol grip. So explain it to Joe just as if he were a real patient.
All right, let's do this. So first I'm going to lower the table here so I can get some good leverage. I'm going to ask you to stack your arms across your chest. Can you bend your knees? Okay. I'm going to roll you towards me here. Hands on the spine, roll it back over. Can you take a deep breath in? And out.
Wow, Rob, looks like you've really been training. Congrats, you passed.
Yo, Goodstad, I did it!